Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to get new keyboards with the new languages with the new characters too on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your setting application, and right after that you just need to scroll down until you found the general, and after you found the general just go click it. Now you just need to scrolling down again until you found keyboard, and whenever you found it you just need to click the top one. So the keyboards here, and here will be like show the keyboard collections of you already have I already have the English, emoji, Indonesian, Arabic, and Korean. So the letter or the character that could be different with us is could be the Arabic and Korean. If you want to get the new character with a new language, you just need to go click add new keyboard, and you just need to find which language that you want to have for the keyboard. So let's say here I will let you got the Chinese, so we just go click this Chinese, and you can just choose which part that you want to have for the keyboard. And after that you just need to go click done, and you just need to check either it's already added into your keyboard collection or not. You just need to tap it. To change the keyboard, just go click this globe symbols, and the informations of the language will be on the space. This is for the Arabic, Korean, and Chinese. So that is the way, guys, how to get a new keyboard on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.